There is a seagull stuck in a tree. I'll try to get it closer. I cannot. But we called the fire department. Somebody is sending out a unit over here. Hopefully. We tried 311. We tried everything, and nobody cares. But the seagull has been stuck there for like a half hour already. And kind of hanging by its foot. I'm going to try to get a little bit close up. So we finally got a fire department down here. It's the bird has been like this for about an hour. We called 311, 911, local police department, local fire department, and finally the local fire department came through. They brought the ladder. We've got some crowd over here. And now they're thinking what they're gonna do about the bird. And the bird is still there kicking and still stuck on a tree. Now we got the police department pulling up. I called the precinct, but they didn't want to send anybody out, but I guess they did come out after all. Yeah, right here, they're gonna probably pull up closer soon. There we go. Here we go. We're getting ready to put the ladder up. There we go. And we're going to the bird.
staying in space. I think it's lighting.
There we go. He's out.
Now it's stuck again.
I think it's time. No, I'm telling you, you can call the whole block. Oh, yeah, look, another one. Oh, yeah, the ambulance. Perfect.
They're going to get it.